So I started using DaVinci Resolve instead of Premiere Pro and created my first video and made vertical short format out of it and wanted to upload it as a YouTube short. And then I got this error message, unable to preview a video. So as everyone would do, I went on Reddit to search solution and found bunch of them, but a lot of them required third-party app, and because I'm genius, I tried the most simple way and it worked. And today I will share it with you. It will just take a few seconds, like this video, but hopefully it will be helpful. And one quick thing, I did it on Android phone. I'm not sure if it will work on iOS, but you can try and let me know. So let's do it. Simply open your video in your gallery, click on edit and then on trim, and slowly hover at the end of the video just to remove few frames and then save it. That's pretty much it. You can think few steps ahead when you are editing video and leave couple frames for that edit in phone. I personally do have CTA at the end of the video, so I cut few frames from that and the clip is alright. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more helpful tricks for your vertical content, maybe you should check this video where I talk about 3 tips how to improve your content. That's it from me today. If you enjoyed video, consider leaving like and comment, and maybe subscribe to channel or share the video to the world so it will help more people. See you next time.